Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Let us start today's plant video with this beautiful geranium that is in bloom right now. This was purchased from the Gorkhe Hut, Acropolis Mall, and this is how it looks after it has been shifted to a bigger pot. Now this is the plant which looks quite happy after being shifted. It's a gift to me from Prakriti and Kundan during last visit to Kershang. Now let's move on to our mint. Look at it, how lush and green and happy they look. Actually, it feels wonderful to have some plants which you can use in your salad, in your cold drinks, and of course biryani. Yes, this is how it's doing right now. Beautiful. Look at it. Healthy plant, ready to be used. Now the reason for today's video is this particular plant. This is the golden sedum, which is a gift to me from my cousin because she had visited Sikkim recently after her daughter's exams got over, and this is the gift she brought for me from Sikkim. And the plant was very dehydrated because it had not been watered, although I have this particular golden sedum, and this is the one which I already have in my possession. Look at the difference in the leaves. Mine looks fat and plump, and the new plant that I just showed you looks dehydrated. That is because it was not watered, as the seller had packed it very nicely so that the leaves don't get damaged. This is my plant, the golden sedum. Beautiful. Now this is the dancing bone cactus. Look at it, how cute it looks. And we are having frequent showers, and they seem to be loving the frequent rains. Look at it, how lush, how green it looks. Beautiful. And the best part is it flowers. It gives tiny yellow flowers, but this is yet to bloom. Now this is my poinsettia. Finally the bracts are falling off one by one, and it is giving out new leaves. That's the changes that is happening in my poinsettia. This is my plant, which was purchased during last December. Now this is my painted lady. Actually, I had put a tiny bit of painted lady into this pot so that I can give it to my younger cousin, as she had loved the plant. And this is how it has turned into in, I think, about a month's time, and it has colored up too. See how pretty it looks. Moving on to our Chrysula ovate, or the jade. This is the twisted jade, although I think the twisting has diminished a bit, and it has lost the color also, actually. I think because of the rain or what, I don't know, because these were all colorful. But this is how it is doing. It's good. Now this is my sedum, and look at it, what is happening. This is my string of hearts, the variegated one. This is the original pot, and from here it has extended into the sedum's packet, or the tiny pot. See, I couldn't pull it out. I think the roots have gone into the soil, so I'm not going to disturb it right now, but very soon I am going to shift it. Actually, I'm in a hurry. If I try to move it now, it's going to break, so I better keep it as it is. And during the weekend I am going to do what I am thinking, that is shifting. So thank you for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, to consider subscribing, and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye bye for today. Bye.